What do you think? Is this better or is this one better? As you saw earlier, I added a bit of depth around the holes that I made, just to, I don't know what I was trying to achieve, but I think it's way more interesting pattern from this piece over here. Probably I'm gonna go with this kind of sample. So I'm gonna repeat the process over here as well. So far I don't have any luck, nothing comes around the way I want it, and I'm a little bit confused, but I'm still going, trying to find the best way to finish this project. So let's continue. Okay guys, so far so good. This is this first rough assembly of all of the pieces, just randomly put together to give you a glimpse of what this can be, and for me to just get some thoughts together on how I should proceed further. But for the first time till now, I have hopes that this thing can become something that is gonna look like something that it's worth looking at. So fingers crossed. I don't have any expectations. I'm so tired already that I can't expect anything, but I'll still grind and weld and paint, and hopefully something good is gonna come out of it. So I'm gonna continue working now. If you're still watching, please just wait a little bit longer. I'm hoping that everything is gonna fall into place in the end.